All rise. Support court with Judge Vonda B is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1067, Daniel's case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You may be seated. Okay, it looks like Miss Daniels brought this case before the court. And what's your name, sir?
Michael.
All right. Michael, well, what's your last name? I don't want to call you by your first name.
Clough.
Michael Clough. All right, Mr. Clough. It looks as though you were brought to court
Unwillingly.
okay, and to be put on child support, but she's not here.
She's never here, you know. She never shows up.
All right, so tell me what's going on. Well, you know she brought you here for you to pay child support. So
Right.
what's going on with you all's situation?
I mean, not too long ago, she dropped the kids off. She was in a strange vehicle, saying she was about to come up on some money, and I haven't seen her since, Your Honor.
The courtroom opens with Judge Vonda B calling the case. Right away, she makes it clear this is serious business, even asking Michael for his last name instead of casually using the first. Michael admits he was dragged here unwillingly, while the mother isn't even present. Already, the stage is set. A father facing child support, a missing mother, and a judge determined to uncover the truth.
Okay.
I'm taking care of these kids. I got to go to work. I think, you know, they my kids. I had them, I made them, but, you know, I got to go to work. You know?
Okay. How many kids are we talking?
5.
5 kids? She dropped out 5 kids?
5 kids.
And kept going.
No.
Who was driving the car? Could you see?
I couldn't see. You know how it is.
No, I
Maybe
don't.
you don't.
Tell me what you mean.
I mean, you know, these women get with these strange guys, and you know, they give them this false hope, and some kind of old cutlass with 20s on it, and she rode off in the sunset, haven't seen her since.
And all 5 of the kids were in that car?
All 5 of them sitting on each other's lap.
Wow. Oh my gosh. Are any of the kids in car seats or should be in car seats?
No car seats. My youngest kid didn't even have a diaper. I called my mom and asked her, she said no, so I had to do what I had to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how long ago did that happen?
Here, the truth shocks the courtroom. Michael reveals a mother dropped off all 5 children, then vanished in a strange car, chasing money and leaving him to pick up the pieces. Imagine that. 5 kids, abandoned, riding off without car seats, stacked on each other's laps. Michael stands firm, admitting the hardship but also the responsibility. They're my kids. I had them. I made them. This moment highlights a father forced to step up when the mother walked away.
Like 2 months ago.
2 months.
2 months ago.
Have you heard from her at all?
Haven't heard from her at all. I sent her some texts when I got the letter about coming to court. But
Right.
I haven't heard anything since.
Okay. Did she tell you she was going to bring you to court for child support?
She did. And then she dropped the kids off, and I haven't seen her since.
Okay. So what was the conflict? Like, what happened for you all to get to the point to where she said, I'm going to file child support on you?
Well, I was working out of town, Your Honor,
Mm-hmm.
and I was sending her about $500 a week, but she wasn't satisfied with that. She felt like she should have $2,000 a week, and I just couldn't do it, Your Honor. I couldn't survive. I was giving her that much money, and, you know, I tried to work it out with her, and then I ended up getting a letter in the mail, which I thought was crazy.
Okay. Are the kids on any type of government assistance or anything?
No, ma'am, Your Honor. I pay for everything.
Okay, you pay for health insurance and everything like that?
All of it. And I work at McDonald, you know, I can't afford that, you know. 5 kids, McDonald's salary.
Viewers, this is where the father's struggle really comes to light. No car seats, no diapers, and yet Michael had to manage alone. For 2 months, he hasn't heard a word from the mother, except for the shock of a court letter. And here's the twist. He was already sending her $500 a week, but she demanded $2,000. When he couldn't meet that impossible request, she abandoned the children. This moment shows us a harsh reality. Sometimes a parent accused of neglect is actually the one holding everything together.
It's hard out here.
Okay. So you're in management?
No, I work on that.
Oh, okay. Okay, gotcha.
Best cook out
I know that's right.
Yeah.
Too bad I don't eat at McDonald's, otherwise I'll put your cooking skills to the test.
here. Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but you cook other stuff, right? You can cook outside of
Oh, yeah,
what
I
you're
cook
making.
other stuff outside of work.
Okay, all right. You do like private in-home stuff? So, like, if me and my husband needed a private shelf, you could do
Your
that?
husband don't want the stuff I cook, Your Honor.
What you cook?
I'm not at liberty to discuss that in the courtroom right
Oh, okay, got you.
now. Right.
Right, okay.
If you know what I mean.
I don't know what you mean, but you know what? I don't even want to know.
Yeah, you probably do.
Okay, all right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and dismiss this case.
I appreciate that.
No
I
problem.
left him in the car, so I really do got to get back out there.
You left them by themselves?
What a dog watching me.
There's a dog watching the kids in the car.
Dog watching.
Is it like a German Shepherd? I have a German Shepherd.
No, it's a poodle, but he's trained to watch the
So you left the poodle with the kids.
Yeah.
How old is the oldest child?
11.
Well, I guess that's not too bad. How old is the youngest child?
2.
Oh, okay. It's not too bad, but let me hurry up and get you out of here so you can go.
Here, Michael's reality hits even harder. 5 kids, no government help, and all on a McDonald's cook's salary. Yet, despite the struggle, he proudly says he pays for everything, including health insurance. The courtroom even lightened for a moment when Judge Vonda jokes about his cooking skills, showing respect for his hard work. This exchange reminds us that dignity isn't about wealth. It's about stepping up and providing, even when the odds are stacked against you.
Back and get with those kids,
I
okay?
appreciate that,
So
yeah.
we're going to dismiss this case. Now, she does have the right, if she wants to refile it in the future.
Right.
That's not saying that she will get what she's looking for, but she does have the right to do that. I just want to make sure that you understand that.
Right. Well, I don't think she'll show up anytime soon. She went to Miami to get a BBL, so.
What's a BBL?
You know, they took the fat from the stomach and put it in the butt.
Oh, so like plastic surgery?
Yeah, I mean, I seen a picture. It was 10 or 12 of them in wheelchairs at the airport. So
Okay, well, all
they're in
right.
the wrong business, you know?
Maybe so. I need to be one of those doctors.
Right.
Okay. Well, Mr. Clough, if there is nothing further, you are free to leave and get to the car to get with those kids, okay?
Right. I'm gonna get there right now. I
All right.
appreciate it, y'all.
Thank you.